Welcome. Today, find out how to unlock a handy new way to send messages in Telegram for PC, using Ctrl and Enter thanks to the latest update. If messaging speed and convenience matter, this simple tweak will streamline those exchanges right away. Start by opening the Telegram app on your desktop. It's a familiar site, with chats ready to go and an intuitive layout. Now, focus on the 3 horizontal lines found at the upper left corner of your window. This icon gives access to Telegram's main menu, so give it a click. From here, scan for settings. It should resemble a gear icon among the options. Selecting settings leads to a new set of choices designed to personalize your Telegram experience and improve your workflow. Once you're inside settings, look for chat settings, where preferences for messages and appearance are grouped for easy access. Within chat settings, scroll until you spot Send with Ctrl plus Enter under the Messages section. This is the new update's headline feature, letting you send a message by pressing Ctrl and Enter at the same time. For many, this shortcut means fewer accidental sends and a smoother chat rhythm. You can still add new lines with Enter alone, then quickly dispatch your finished message with the combo. Simply click the checkbox next to the Send with Ctrl plus Enter option. The setting is now active, allowing a more customized and comfortable messaging experience on Telegram. You'll probably notice the difference right away, especially when writing longer texts or making sure details are just right before sending. Enjoy discovering new features like this with every update. Telegram keeps getting better, and small changes like these are here to save time and keep conversations flowing. If this tip made a difference, keep exploring the app for more tools to suit all sorts of chatting styles.